Alright gang, here we have Bradford White water tank that was installed back in 2013. Had a problem because it wasn't heating up a water. So the problem was in the switch here. My baby boy actually turned it off and I turned back on. It was working fine. I didn't do anything. But the second problem was recently my baby boy actually turned it off again when he was in the basement, and I tried to ignite it, put it in pilot, tried everything according to the instructions over here. Press and hold knob in pilot position, press igniter button until pilot lights, and release knob when the status light blinks, and it did. So I tried like several times, maybe 6-7 times, up to 10, and then I got a 5 blinking lights, I would say. 5 times it blinked, and then when you go here it says 5 flashes and 3-second pause, thermostat well, sensor fault. So I thought maybe it was because of that, and I actually called a professional to fix it, and he was busy for about 2-3 days. I didn't have any water, hot water over here, so I tried to fix it by myself. So, and I did. I actually opened up this panel, and when it starts working, there should be a flame over here. You can look through, but so what I did is actually press the knob and put it in pilot mode and press the igniter. I pressed it for about 20 to 30 times, I believe, and watched the glass over here just to make sure if there's any flame, and it did work. So I tried that. So now I have hot water, everything's working fine, thank God. It was just easy fix. Hopefully you guys have the same problem, so that you don't call your professional and get charged for it.